So I started my legumes. I put some cloves, spice, and so forth. Kita kan baru bami bilang so na legume mo. So saya nak pangan so ada untuk tomat, saya sudah mulai. Okay, abis ça. So punya lah, mesti spice mana kita avec chicken thigh. Beaucoup plus full, on achète un petit cal. So mettez tout spice man, mettez ginger powder, goya, marie, clove, thyme, terrotin, ginger powder, mettez tout là-dedans. So I'm going to put I put all my spices now. I'm mixing everything, and then it's cooked now. Okay, now I'm gonna fry it. Now my grill, you don't have to fry it. Yeah, once it's golden brown, it's all set. So I can put it in the legume. Now I'm gonna boil my vegetables, and then when it's cooked, I'm gonna smash it and mix it together with the meat that I fried. Now I'm matching my vegetables before I mix it with the meat. Okay, after I finish matching it, and I'm gonna mix it with the meat that I fried. My vegetable is ready. This is the fried meat that I told you that I fried. So now I always smash the vegetables. I always add some cauliflower because my daughter, she loves cauliflower when I add cauliflower on it. So this is the fried chicken thigh that I fried. So now after I smash it, I let it boil for about 20 minutes. So now I add my meat, my fried meat, and I'm gonna mix it together. It's very tasty, very delicious. So I add carrots, and I'm gonna mix everything together. And then making with puree black beans. Okay, it's not boiled yet. I'm gonna let it boil for about 45 minutes. Okay, I put parsley, butter. It's not any type of butter. It's a Haitian kind of butter. Mwen ki Haitian kon ki be, mwen mette la dan se beurre timalis, piment, persil, mwen kite l bouillir pour 45 minutes to an hour. 45 minutes jusqu'à une heure comme ça. Ça dépend. Now my puree beans is ready. I don't let it too thick because of my mother. Sauce pour appareil, m'pa kite l trop presse à cause de maman. Li ba me sauce pour presse, okay? So that's why my mother likes it. She doesn't like it too thick. So maman veut qu'on sale me sauce pour, elle ba me sauce pour trop presse. So kuna sauce pour m'pare, okay? Bon appétit. My rice is getting ready, okay? Almost done. This is, see, I put some scallion on it. I fry scallion. I fry scallion in my rice. My rice is ready. It's well cooked. That's how I like it. Okay, it's well cooked, and it's ready to be eaten. And I can't wait. I'm hungry. So now my food is ready. Okay, this is puree black beans with rice and vegetables mixed with chicken thighs. This is spice. I love spice, and I usually drink tea. I don't like juice after I eat, so it's healthier to have some tea. I usually add some honey in my tea. It's, you know, honey is healthier, so you add some honey in your tea after you finish eating. Don't drink anything cold with ice. It's so unhealthy. Always try to drink something hot. Each time you finish eating, drink something hot. Don't drink any cold water or cold juice. Okay, so if you want some, you can call me or let me know. I'll cook you some. Bon appétit.